इस पैराग्राफ की स्पीड 80 की होगी। इसके अलावा ये पैराग्राफ आपको 100 और 120 की स्पीड में मिल जाएगा। पैराग्राफ की फ़ाइल और दूसरी स्पीड के लिंक्स वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद हैं। गेट रेडी फॉर योर डिक्टेशन। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। Prime Minister Imran Khan is to be commended for keeping his word and releasing the findings of 2 investigations into the recent sugar and wheat flour shortages that led to an increase in the price of these items. Full stop. The reports were made public without delay or alteration, even though they incriminate people close to the Prime Minister, something unheard of in previous dispensations, full stop. And yet, the ensuing shake-up in government ranks has raised several questions, full stop. For instance, a number of ministers, advisors and bureaucrats linked with the damning probe have been given other portfolios. Was this reshuffle essentially a face-saving exercise? Indeed, any action at this stage is a little premature, full stop. The reports expectedly spawned demands from the opposition for intermediate action against those believed to have benefited from the shortages and price hikes, full stop. In response, the Premier rightly advised them to wait for the completion of the forensic audit of the scums, full stop. In a series of tweets on Sunday, he said he was waiting for a detailed forensic report on the matter before taking action against anyone, full stop. A high-powered commission is expected to finalize the audit by April 25, full stop. He also said that after these reports come out, no powerful lobby would be able to profit at the expense of our public, full stop. A careful reading of the 2 inquiries underlines the need for patience, as these reports, especially the one on the steep increase in the price of domestic sugar prices last year, while pointing to certain beneficiaries of government policies and decisions, do not fix responsibility, full stop. All this has only added to the mystery of the reshuffle, full stop. On their own, the 2 reports do not contain anything new or startling, full stop. Most of the information contained in them has been extensively reported by the print and electronic media over the past few months, full stop. But what the reports do confirm is the deep connection between politics and the sugar we trade as a whole, full stop. The investigators appear reluctant to pin direct blame on the politicians and officials linked to the ruling party for fear of influencing the federal and provincial policies on sugar and wheat, full stop. And yet it is hard to dispute that those in the political corridor of powers have benefited from these policies, full stop. A look at the report shows that it is not only sugar mill owners linked to the government who are beneficiaries of the billions doled out on the name of export subsidies, but also those associated with the FMLN and other parties, full stop. Governments need to break this nexus between politics and the sugar and wheat trade through extensive policy reforms. If such crises are to be prevented in the future, full stop. That will mean a substantial reduction in the government's own role in the sugar and wheat trade and greater reliance on market forces. Full stop. The end.